Perkins genuine parts ensure faster installation because you know that the part's going to fit. There's less time spent trying to maintain the equipment, so you can just get a service technician, you can have an expertly trained Perkins service technician go and help someone fit a component or fit a part to a machine because it's designed to fit. Only a Perkins genuine part will provide the exact fit and performance. We know many of our customers use their engine in different global locations, and they need to know that when they're in that global location, if it's a snowplow or snow groomer up a mountain, that part will perform exactly the same as it would if it was in a desert. So if you're an electric power customer in a very hot climate or a desert situation, you know that part's going to perform. They have been tested and validated not only inside of test labs and with computer-aided simulation, but they've also been tested in cold climate testing and in hot proving grounds as well. So parts have been tested in Malaga, they've been tested in Arizona, and they've also been tested in areas of Sweden. If you were to therefore have a lot of non-genuine parts inside that system, not only are you avoiding your warranty potentially, but you're actually going to be risking the chance of a full or a total engine failure or some of the parts in that engine system seizing. So we believe that buying Perkins genuine parts is the way to ensure that maximum uptime and that engine performs as intended and as originally designed.